Could XRP really hit $10 by 2025? It might sound ambitious, but I'm going to break it down with 4 key reasons why this price target isn't as far-fetched as it seems. XRP has been making serious waves this year, and if you're curious about where it's heading, stick around. Reason number 1, Ripple's legal win against the SEC. First up, let's talk about Ripple's massive legal victory against the SEC, a case that had been hanging over Ripple like a dark cloud for years. Here's the backstory. The SEC argued that XRP was a security, essentially putting it in the same category as stocks or bonds. If the court had sided with the SEC, Ripple would have been forced to follow the same strict rules as companies that issue shares to the public. This would have created enormous hurdles for XRP's growth and use. But in 2023, a major ruling brought clarity. A judge determined that XRP is not a security when traded on secondary markets like exchanges. This was a groundbreaking decision for Ripple and for the crypto industry as a whole. So, what does this mean in plain terms? First, Ripple and XRP can now operate without the heavy burden of securities regulations, which often scare off businesses and investors due to their complexity and cost. This ruling essentially opened the floodgates for businesses, banks, and even institutional investors to embrace XRP without worrying about potential legal consequences. The impact was immediate. Confidence in XRP surged. Institutional players who were previously hesitant started paying attention. This clarity also strengthened XRP's reputation as a legitimate digital asset. Now, with this legal hurdle cleared, XRP was primed for long-term growth. The ruling didn't just end a legal battle. It created a pathway for Ripple to expand its partnerships and for XRP to play a bigger role in global finance. Reason number 2, cross-border payment dominance. Let's face it, traditional international money transfers are outdated to say the least. If you've ever sent money abroad through a bank, you've probably noticed 2 things. It's expensive and it's slow. In most cases, you're looking at several days of waiting time and high fees that reduce the amount you can send. This is where Ripple steps in to change the game. Ripple's technology leverages XRP to enable near-instant, low-cost international transfers. Instead of days, transactions can be completed in minutes or even seconds. Instead of hefty fees, costs are reduced significantly. Here's how it works. Ripple uses a system called RippleNet, which connects banks, payment providers, and financial institutions across the globe. XRP acts as a bridge currency, meaning it facilitates the exchange of one fiat currency, like US dollars, into another, such as euros or yen, in real time. This eliminates the need for expensive intermediaries and complex currency conversion processes. What's even more impressive is that major financial institutions are already using Ripple's technology. Names like Santander, SBI Holdings, and PNC Bank have adopted RippleNet to improve their cross-border payment systems. These are massive players in the financial world, and their trust in Ripple speaks volumes. As more banks and companies adopt Ripple solutions, the demand for XRP is naturally expected to grow. Why? Because XRP is the fuel that powers these transactions. And in economics, when demand rises and supply remains limited, prices go up. Ripple isn't just promising to revolutionize cross-border payments, it's already doing it. The global payments industry is worth trillions of dollars, and even capturing a small slice of that market could drive XRP's value to new heights. Reason number 3, the supply factor. Let's talk about supply, one of the most important factors in determining the value of any asset. XRP has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens. This means no more XRP can ever be created, unlike fiat currencies that central banks can print endlessly, often leading to inflation. A fixed supply automatically introduces the concept of scarcity, and scarcity is a powerful driver of value in any market. But there's more. Ripple, the company behind XRP, holds a significant portion of this supply, around 50 billion tokens, in escrow. These tokens are released at a controlled pace to ensure the market isn't flooded with XRP. This controlled release acts as a safeguard, preventing oversupply and helping maintain price stability. Why is this important? Oversupply can dilute the value of an asset. By keeping the release schedule steady and predictable, Ripple is effectively keeping XRP's inflation rate low. This gives the asset a level of scarcity that could become more pronounced as its adoption and utility grow. Think of it like this. Imagine a valuable commodity like gold, but with a twist. Instead of massive quantities being mined at unpredictable rates, the amount available is tightly controlled. That's essentially what Ripple has done with XRP. Now, as Ripple continues to expand its use cases, like cross-border payments and partnerships with banks and institutions, the utility of XRP grows. More demand for XRP, combined with its limited and controlled supply, could significantly drive up its value. In economics, this is a classic example of supply and demand. If supply is fixed or growing slowly, but demand starts to rise sharply, price often follows suit. With Ripple strategically managing XRP's supply while pushing for adoption, XRP has a strong case for appreciating in value over the long term. Lastly, the bullish market cycle. The crypto market cycle is a pattern that has historically shaped the entire cryptocurrency market. At the heart of this cycle is a key event called the Bitcoin halving, which occurs approximately every 4 years. During a halving, the reward miners receive for validating Bitcoin transactions is cut in half, reducing the rate at which new Bitcoin enters circulation. Why does this matter? Because Bitcoin's supply becomes more limited after each halving, and the market often reacts with significant price increases. Historically, these halvings have been followed by massive bull markets, where not just Bitcoin, but the entire crypto market sees explosive growth. Let's take a look at the timeline. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin surged from under $100 to over $1,000. The 2016 halving preceded the 2017 bull market, where Bitcoin hit nearly $20,000. And the 2020 halving set the stage for Bitcoin's climb to its previous all-time high of $69,000 in 2021. By 2025, we'll be in the post-halving phase of this cycle again. If history repeats itself, and it often does in crypto, this could trigger another bull market, pushing prices across the board to new heights. But here's the key. During these cycles, altcoins with strong fundamentals and real-world use cases often outperform Bitcoin, and XRP is one of the few altcoins that checks both of these boxes. It's already been adopted by major financial institutions for cross-border payments. It has a clear use case and growing demand. Combine this with the broader bull market momentum, and XRP could be positioned for major gains. So, what makes XRP stand out this cycle? Well, its unique role in the financial ecosystem. While many altcoins rely on hype or speculation, XRP has established itself as a tool for real-world utility that could give it an edge when the next bull market is in full swing. In short, if the crypto market follows its historical patterns, XRP's use case and growing adoption make it one to watch closely as we approach 2025. So, could XRP hit $10 by 2025? If Ripple continues scaling its partnerships and adoption grows, the case is strong for a price range of $5 to $10. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but XRP has as good of a chance as any to succeed. But I want to know what you think. Do you believe XRP could hit $10 or go even higher? Drop your predictions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto content.